Hello everyone. In arithmetic progression, here is the one question. The table that is 738. We have to find the AN. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎ ಟಿ ಎನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎ ಎನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 8. We have to find an. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಅನ್ನೋದು 7 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, d 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, n 8 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು an ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. we know already the formula of an. an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to substitute the value of these a, d, n in this formula. Then it becomes a8 is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a8 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಇಂಟು 3, 7 means 8 minus 1, 7. 7 into 3 is 21. We have to add 7 to the 21, then it becomes 28. Then last we get a8 is equals to 28. Same formula we have to apply for the second, third, fourth and fifth. Then only we can find the value of unknown number. Okay, here also a is equal to minus 18, d we have to find, n is equal to 10, an is equal to 0. We have to substitute this value in this formula. Then 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into d. 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 9d. 18 is equal to 9d. d is equals to 18 divided by 9, divided by that is 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. Then d is equal to 2. Okay, is it clear? Next question, a is equal to, we have to find the a value. d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, an is equal to minus 5. We have to substitute this value in this formula. Minus 5 that is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 minus 3. That is equal to a minus 51. a is equal to minus 5 plus 51, that is equal to 46. Finally we get a value as 46. Next problem, a is equals to minus 18.9. 18.9 here. Okay, a is equal to 18.9. d is equals to 2.5. n is equals to, I don't know, we have to find the n value here. an is equals to 3.6. By substituting this value in the formula, we can find n value. an is equal to 3.6, that is equal to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into 2.5. 13.6, that is equal to 2.5 into n minus 21.4. Okay, 22.5 n, that is equals to 3.6 plus 21.4. ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 25 n, that is equals to 25. n is equal to 25 divided by 2.5, that is equals to 250. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ 250 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 25. n is equals to 10. Fifth problem, a is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 0, n is equal to 105, an is equal to question mark. Here an, we have to find the value of an here. a is equal to 3.5 plus 10.5 minus 1 into 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0 only, so that 3.5 plus 0, whole thing will be 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 0 ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 0ನೇ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 0 plus 3.5 is 3.5. Finally, we get an is equal to 3.5. Okay, 3.5 here. Is it clear? Thanks for watching.